Here on my table, guys, it's a power bank. And it's not your ordinary power bank. It's a 80,000 milliampere hours of battery. And it's huge. Laki, grabe. And of course, this is being sponsored by our friends from Shandy Masangkay. And it's a XOPR160 na super juicy, super jumbo na power bank na kaya ikarga ang buong barangay. Tara, pakita ko sa inyo. So hey guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So ever had the problem na nag-brown out si Meralco and yung power bank mo is halos walang laman? Probably the power bank na meron mo is just like me, 10,000 and 20,000. Yun lang meron ko. Let's just be honest. Kasi di ko naman kailangan ng super duper laki na power bank. But most of the time, since bit-bit ko naman siya outdoors, I always forget to charge. So, well, may natitirang konti, just good for one charge or less than one charge, kalahating charge lang, tapos na. And alam naman natin, we have a lot of gadgets. Buong pamilya, si ate, si kuya, si nanay, si tatay, si lolo, si lola, lahat nakasalalay sa kuryente. Let's admit it, lahat yan may cellphone. And of course, once nag-click si Meralco, nag-brown out, tapos ang kwento. Lahat kayo halos walang kuryente. Sabihin natin mag-brown out ka ng mga 5 oras, hala, patay. Lahat kayo halos near zero na battery. Wala na. It's the end. But for XO, hindi pa yan the end. Meron tayong 80,000 milliampere hours na battery pack. And let's simply do the math. 80,000 milliampere hours. And di ba natin, sasabihin natin per phone, isang phone may 5,000 milliampere hours. So it's good enough to charge 16 na cellphones all at once. But not all at once. May maximum output, but you can charge 16 na cellphone almost fully charged, no? So of course, kailangan natin i-factor in ang loss, but theoretically, yan ang kaya natin ikarga, no? 16 na cellphone na 5,000 milliampere hours of battery. Imagine that. So right now, i-unbox ko muna. Pakita ko lang sa inyo what's inside. And definitely, it's quite heavy. Masasabi ko sa inyo. And I'm sure hindi mo bibit-bitin to sa yung backpack, no? Probably dadalhin mo to for camping, but definitely not inside your backpack. May LED power display siya. PD 20 watts ang output niya pag C to C. And meron siyang QC na 22.5 watts ang output pag may dalawang kidlat. So ito yung mga nakaprint sa gilid. And ito yung kabilang gilid. So inside, meron tayong cable na micro USB na pang-charge sa kanya. And ito na, ang power bank. It's quite heavy. It's, well, probably one of my first ever na ganito kabigat, no? The last time I had is a 50,000 milliampere hours na battery, also coming from Shandy Masangkay, no, na XO din. And kita natin, there's a LED display over here na kailangan mong pindutin dito sa gilid para makita mo kung ilan pa yung battery na titira. So I have 78% of battery inside. This is a factory charge, guys. So dito sa likod, wala nating, okay, sa ilalim, it's just some certification. Sa ibabaw, we can see that there are 6 na ports. So tatlong type A, isang C to C, then ito input na yan, micro USB input or lightning na input. So itong dalawang input. Okay? So itong type C, I'm sure output to, or probably it could also be an input. I-check natin in a while. So I have here on my table, 4 na phones. So I'll be charging them all together. Let's see kung gagana ba siya. I have the Oppo A57, si Nothing Phone, si Realme Narzo 50, and another one is the Samsung Galaxy A13. So I'll be trying to charge them all together all at once. Let's just see, no, kung gagana siya. Of course, I have here is a C to C na cable, which gagamitin natin kay Nothing Phone. Plug na natin type C. Okay. Paano na si Nothing? Okay. Let's see kung kakarga siya. Okay. So it's loading up. So sabi na Nothing. Okay. So guys, stay tuned for my review of the Nothing Phone. So kaya kung makarga siya, kita nyo. Then next is to plug in the other phones na andito sa aking table. So, plug-in muna natin kay Narzo. Okay? So, May kidlat na. Okay, so it's charging. Okay, nagsi-charge din silang isa. So, tatry din natin kargahan si Oppo. Okay, so, kable. Kabitan lang natin. See if it works. Okay. May kidlat. Good. Good. Okay. So, lahat yan. Simultaneous kumakarga. Okay. So, it's no problem. And the last one, kay Samsung Galaxy A13. And so, the last one kay Samsung Galaxy A13, natin kung kumarga siya, no? Okay, so it's also charging. Yan. So guys, all of them are charging all at the same time. Sabihin natin brownout, no? Lahat yan, kumakarga. And it's really surprising na you have a massive battery like this one, which can charge up to 16 na phones. Of course, siyempre hindi naman kaya isang saksakan, but nevertheless, you can charge 16 times na 5,000 mAh na battery, na phone. Definitely okay to, no? It's really a nice investment to have, especially na medyo tag-ulan na ngayon, medyo hindi na reliable ang kuryente ni Meralco. I think you should try to have something like this one. And guys, this massive power bank, you can buy it from Shandy Masangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And right now, for the last test, check lang natin, no? If itong C port, kaya na mag-input. Okay? So, all I need to do is locate a charger. And so, I have a charger over here. So, tatry lang natin, no? If kakarga siya sa gamit ka ng Type-C port, no? So, it's just trying. But definitely sa micro USB and sa lightning gagana yan. Kasi wala naman ako nakita lightning to lightning na reversible, no? And okay, so let's just try. Plug muna natin to sa C-port. And kabit ko muna to sa kuryente. And apparently, it's working. Yan, kumakarga na siya, no? So, all three ports dito sa taas, Type-C, micro, and of course, the lightning, it's dedicated to use in charging this power bank. But at the same time, yung C, pwede mo i-output din siya, C to C. Meron siyang PD na 20 watts for fast charging. So yun guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo dito, and especially during this rainy season, I would suggest na you charge up your power banks in case na mag-brownout, or you buy a massive battery or power bank, na 80,000 mAh from Shandy Masangkay. It's called the XO PR160, 80,000 mAh na battery. I'm sure magagamit mo one way or the other. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss ang mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako nga pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?